Alright, what's up guys? So today we got a review for our Growstar LED light. They reached out to me and told me they want me to test out their light, so I figured I'd give it a shot. So shout out to Growstar LED. Give them a follow on Instagram. You can shop their products on Amazon, obviously. Can't beat their prices, and they're a newer brand, and so far they seem legit. So we're gonna unbox their 1000 watt. It's rated for a 2x2. Let's see what we got in the package. User manual. It's got a sunlight spectrum. It's rated 1000 watts, 110 watt output, which don't seem too reasonable, or which seems reasonable. There's the specs. See that? So we have ratcheting strap. That's cool. So we can hang this guy up. Also got the 4-hook hanger, so we can hook it to the LED to hang it up. And we have our LED. Packaging is nice, not too bad. So, all in all, it seems pretty sturdy. Seems like it's got a stainless steel body. Here's all the specs on the driver. It is not dimmable. It's got one output. Bottom. Seems legit. All in all, it seems like a decent product for 90 bucks. Plug this one in. It's about to get bright. Boom. Seems legit. Very bright. Very bright. Shout out to Growstar. Give them a follow. Check out their products on Amazon. Like I said, this is a newer light from them. They just released. So we'll see how it does. We are going to put it in my 2x2, so let's hang this thing up and see how bright it is in the 2x2. Alright, so we now have it plugged up into the 2x2, and this thing is bright. It'll literally be perfect for the 2x2 grill. I have all faith in it. Look how bright this thing is. That thing is bright. I think it'd be perfect for the 2x2. I'm not sure on how hot it gets, but I'm pretty sure it's been tested from the factory. All in all, seems like it's gonna be alright, so just waiting on my seeds to come. Alright, thanks for watching the review, guys. Hopefully you guys make your purchase yourself. Like I said, for 90 bucks on Amazon. I'll be putting a link in the description, and you guys can purchase yourself a Growstar LED.